Welcome to the 9th day of Embrace Change Yoga Challenge. This class is the perfect combination of movement, stillness, and breath. As we move through the gentle flow, you'll start allowing your mind to focus on the present moment. This class will help you let go of anything that may no longer serve you, whether that is anxiety, stress, negativity, or overall tension. Let all that energy go with each breath and enjoy. We will start today at the top of your mat in mountain pose. Inhale, reach your arms up and grabbing your right wrist with your left hand, lean over to the left side. Inhale, reach up, gentle back bend, and exhale, grabbing your left wrist and lean over to the right. Inhale, reach up, open your chest, and exhale, dive down. Forward fold, grabbing opposite elbows, swaying from side to side, surrendering into the pose, and enjoying this forward fold. Planting your hands down, inhale, lengthen, and exhale, step back, bringing your knees down, chest, chin. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. You can start bending your knees. First down dog for today, releasing any tension, lengthening your spine, and taking a big step to the front. Inhale, halfway lengthen, exhale, fold. Inhale, reach up, and exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, reach up, exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lengthen, and grabbing your toes, fold down. Staying here for a couple of breaths, bringing your chest closer to your thighs, and planting your hands down, step back. Take your vinyasa, knees, chest, chin, or chaturanga, upward facing dog, and lift your hips up, downward facing dog. Bend your knees, step or jump to the front. Inhale, halfway, and exhale, fold. Inhale, reach up, and exhale, hands to heart. Let's do a few more, some salutations. Inhale, reach up, exhale, fall down. Inhale, halfway, and exhale, bringing your palms underneath your feet. Folding down, bringing your chest closer to your thighs. You can always bend your knees if your hamstrings are a bit tight. And releasing your hands, lengthen, and exhale, step back, taking your vinyasa, chaturanga, upward facing dog, and downward facing dog. Taking a couple of breaths here. And bend your knees, step or jump to the front, halfway, and fall down. Inhale, reach up, and exhale, hands to heart. Continuing with our flow, coming into chair pose. Bringing your hands to heart and twisting over to the right, so bringing your left elbow on your right knee, gaze down, step your left leg back, open your arms, and reach up into twisted high lunge. Your right hand on top of your left heel, and inhale, coming to the front, crescent lunge, and bringing weight in your right foot, and going for warrior 3, hands to heart, lifting your left leg up. Slowly bringing left knee to chest, grabbing your left outer edge of the foot with your right hand, bringing left arm behind your back, and and left ankle on your right knee, figure 4. Sending your left leg back for warrior 3 and step back. Crescent lunge and planting your hands down, take your vinyasa, chaturanga, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Bend your knees, step or jump to the front, inhale halfway and exhale fold. Inhale, coming into chair pose and all the way up, hands to heart. Let's go over to the other side, chair pose. Bringing your hands to heart, twisting to the left. And stepping your right foot back, opening your arms and reach up into twisted high lunge. Inhale, crescent lunge. And bringing weight in your left foot, coming for warrior 3, hands to heart. Bringing your right knee to the front, grab your right foot with your left hand, twist over to the right, dancing Shiva pose. And slowly bringing right ankle on top of your left knee, figure 4. And sending your right foot back for warrior 3 pose. Bend your left knee, step back. Inhale, reach up into crescent. And exhale, take your vinyasa. Upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Bend your knees, step or jump to the front, halfway, and exhale, fold down. Inhale, reach up, and exhale, hands to heart. And let's do that one more time on each side, coming into chair pose. Bringing your hands to heart, twisting over to the right. Sending your left foot back, opening your arms, and coming up into twisted high lunge. Right arm on top of your left heel. And inhale, coming to the front, crescent lunge. And reaching into warrior 3 pose, bringing your hands to heart, lifting your left leg behind you. And bringing your left knee to chest, grabbing your left foot with your right hand, dancing Shiva. Bringing your left ankle on top of your right knee, seated figure 4. And transitioning slowly into warrior 3. Bend your right knee, step back. Inhale, reach up, crescent. And exhale, take your vinyasa. Upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Bend your knees, step or jump to the front, halfway, fold down. Inhale, coming into chair, and all the way up, hands to heart. And let's go to the other side. Inhale, chair pose, hands to heart, twist over to the left. Gazing down for a moment, sending your right foot back, opening your arms, and reaching up into twisted high lunge. Inhale, open to the front, crescent lunge. And leaning forward, coming into warrior 3 pose. Bringing right knee to chest, grabbing your right foot with your left hand, dancing Shiva pose. And figure 4, bringing your hands to heart, sitting a bit deeper down. And sending your right leg behind you, warrior 3. Step back into crescent lunge and take your vinyasa. Chaturanga, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. bend your knees, step or jump to the front, inhale halfway, exhale fold, inhale reach up, and exhale hands to heart. Coming into chair pose, continuing with our flow, sitting all the way down into Navasana pose. You can always bend your knees, and let's take few Navasana to half Navasana. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost there, 8, 9, and 10. Last one, release all the way down. Bending your knees, bringing your feet close to your glutes, and lift your hips up for bridge pose, snuggling your shoulders underneath, interlacing your fingers, lift up higher, and exhale, release down. Bringing your knees to chest, rocking from side to side. And grabbing outer edges of your feet for a happy baby pose. Keep rocking from side to side. Knees to chest. And sending your knees over to the left side for a supine twist. And gazing over your right shoulder. Just staying here for a couple of breaths. Keep focusing on your breath, relaxing, releasing any tension, stress, bringing your knees to chest and sending them over to the right side, gazing over your left shoulder. Just enjoying these calming poses after an energizing flow. And bringing your knees to chest. And releasing your legs down into butterfly pose, bringing your soles of the feet together. One hand to your chest, one hand to your belly. Let's take one last deep breath together. Inhale through your nose. Sip a little bit more air. A little bit more. And open your mouth, exhale all out. Releasing all that no longer serves you. With every inhale, inviting relaxation, calm, joy, peace into every cell of your body and into your life. With every exhale, releasing all that no longer serves you. Staying here for a while and relaxing completely. Slowly bringing your knees together, doing anything that feels good in your body right now, maybe stretching, and moving over to one side into fetal position, helping yourself come up into seated, bringing your hands to heart, bowing your chin to chest. Thank you for joining me today on the mat. Namaste.